Hello everyone, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs. Now divide it from the between and then rotate it. So after rotating it, now fold it upward by making the plaits on the hairs and then fix it on the top inside the rubber band. Now fold it again and then fix it using the rubber bands. Now fold it and then fix it using the bun pin on the top. Put it tightly and your bun is almost ready. You can get these hair bun pins easily in the market and it's done. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Pull out the hairs from the top and the sides like this. Pull out the hairs very uniformly and carefully. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Roll them and then fold it upward like this. Spread it from the sides and then fix it using the hair bun pins like this and your bun is almost ready. Don't forget to put the beautiful hair bun pins to make it look more beautiful. Next, you have to take the hairs from these sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now after that, tie the hairs again from the sides, fix it like this and then tie the hairs on the top. Now we will rotate the hairs and fix them into each other like this. Now we will fix all the hairs together after rotating it. Now tie all the hairs together and then tie it using the rubber bands. Now fix the hairs as shown in the video from the between. Now rotate it upward and then fix it by making a bun. Spread the hairs and then fix the hairs inside it. Now fold it upward and fix the bun pin to fix it on the top and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to put the beautiful hair bun pins on the hairs like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs and then roll it using the fingers upward. Tie it like this, roll it carefully. Now fix it on the top and then put the hair bun pin like this on the sides to fix the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail, tie the hairs from the between and then rotate it. Now after rotating the hairs, pull out the hairs from the sides a little bit as shown in the video. Fix it carefully as we are doing it. Properly pull out the hairs. Now fix it in the half on the top like this to make a bun. Fold it upward like this and roll the rest of the hairs on the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to put the hair bun pins in the between to fix it tightly. Next, we'll be taking the hairs as shown in the video, make a ponytail, fold it upward and fix the bun pin on the downside. Roll it down, now tie the hairs on the top and then again fold it down and fix it using the hair bun pins like this. Fold it and fix it. Now put this bun pin on the top and your hairstyle is almost ready. You can get these hair bun pins easily in the market and it's done. Next, make a ponytail like this. After that, we will take a bun pin and then fix it on the hairs like this on the sides and then roll it upward and then fix the hair bun pin on the right side. Now tie the hairs on the top, tie it using the rubber band at the bottom and then roll it down and fix it using the hairpins like this. Fix the hairs very carefully and tightly and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to take the hairs as shown in the video and make the hairs like this on the back and then rotate it. After rotating it, we will tie the hairs together, divide them into two parts and divide them from the between and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs and tie them together. Tie the hairs like this and then we will fold it upward and then fix it by rolling it upward like this. Tie the hairs from the between, tie it using the rubber bands and then fold it like this. Spread it and then fix it on the top by putting a bun pin over it and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.